Instead of 31 and done, I'm looking at the annual fund as 28 and done. And that's not 28 days, but 28 years. I have had a child at Arbor Montessori since 1991 when my daughter Mims started in Arabelle's class. And we had my wife and I's older son Thomas graduated 4 years ago. One of the things that we like about Arbor Montessori is how it nurtures the entire child, mind, body, and spirit. And the thing I want to talk about today is the body portion of that, and specifically the athletic program, which the annual fund, which benefits from the annual fund. All of my children have played sports here, basketball, the running sports, cross country, track and field, and Charlie started playing on the new Ultimate team last year. Arbor, for being a small school, has an amazingly energetic and robust athletic program, and we're very competitive in all the sports. Athletics depends upon the annual fund for things like facility rental fees, referees, uniforms, and things like that. I'm particularly glad that all of my children have had that opportunity to play sports at kind of the developmental level. We've not been able to, we try to give every year. Some years we're able to give more, some years less. And that's one of the things that I think is great about the annual fund. Arbor asks you to give what you can, what will fit in your budget. And I think it's real important that we get as many people, as many families to contribute to the annual fund. So thank you for your support of this year's annual fund.